Happy spring! Are you ready to reboot your mind, body, and soul after this challenging year? We know we are. So here at the Nature Nurse, our team is excited to announce our first in-person, outdoor, nature-based workshop to help you do just that. This workshop will consist of 6 sessions, each 2 hours, once a week, right here on Old Mill Farm. This beautiful old farm is right here, just south of the South Point Mall here in Durham, North Carolina. We are launching this offering to women exclusively for now, and each workshop will be limited to 12 participants. We will be following all the COVID guidelines just to keep everybody safe, even though we know from the science that being outdoors in nature is the safest, not the perfect place, but a lot safer than being indoors, especially with the ventilation issues. So this workshop will begin on Thursday, April 8th, and please don't wait to sign up because we are just limiting it to 12 participants. So what will you learn in this workshop? Each participant will learn 6 nature-based practices that you can then integrate into your healthy lifestyle. Participants will also leave feeling more rejuvenated and ready to take on 2021 in a better, healthy way. And each of the graduates will then be eligible for our upcoming events, and we'll have exclusive offers and discounts. And some added benefits might be you might make some new friends, you might just enjoy connecting again, not just with people but with nature, and you may even make some fuzzy furry friends here. I will be your instructor. I'm Sue Allison Dean, founder and CEO of The Nature Nurse. I'm also a board-certified advanced holistic nurse and certified clinical aromatherapy professional. These nature-based practices that I will be teaching you and allowing you a chance to experience are all based on research, and it will be exciting to learn all of these, and you can then take them home and continue to practice them yourself and incorporate them into your health and well-being toolbox. If you still have questions, we'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to reach out to our coordinator, event coordinator, Laura, and you can reach her by phone at 817-992-9450. Once again, 817-992-9450. Or you can email me at susanallisondean@gmail.com. So it's Susan Allison with 2 L's. Dean@gmail.com. We look forward to meeting you and getting restored and rebooted and excited and making new friends.